Hello children, let's start our quiz from chapter number 2 of geography: land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. These 20 MCQs are based on the topics which we covered in the previous videos during the chapter. So let's take first question. 90% of the total world population resides in of the land area. How much area? 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%. So the correct answer is 30%. 30% is the correct answer. Come to the next question. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil, land, minerals, humus. So the correct answer is soil. This is the thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of earth, soil. Next question, the breaking up of rocks is known as erosion, reclamation, degradation, weathering. It's a very simple question, weathering. D is the correct answer. Come to the next question. Is a process in which heavy rains wash away the fertile part of the soil. This is a natural process. You can say that cultivating, mulching, leaching, soil erosion. Soil erosion can be by rain or wind, but leaching is the process in which heavy rains wash away the fertile part of the soil. C is the correct answer. Out of the total fresh water available, nearly is in the form of ice. How much? And is found in glaciers, Antarctica, Greenland, mountain regions, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much percent? This is B is the correct answer. 2% is found in the ice form in the glaciers. Next is the decline in the productive capacity of land for some time or permanently. Land reclamation, land degradation, land use, land profile. So the answer is B. Land degradation is the decline in the productive capacity of land because it is losing the fertility and its quality during land degradation. Natural vegetation and wildlife exist only in the narrow zone called what? This narrow zone is called lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. So the correct answer is D option, biosphere. Species of some animals are on the verge of extinction, means going to be extinct, as their population has decreased considerably. Such species are known as endangered, extinct, dying, died species. The correct answer is endangered species, option A. Next question. Sliding of huge debris, rocks and other material down the slope is known as, this is volcanic eruptions, landslides, earthquakes, tsunami. Natural process, or this is the falling down the material, this is landslide. B option is the correct answer. Which factor is not responsible for the formation of soil? Time, organism, technology, relief. So the factor is not responsible. Time is the factor responsible, and organism also very important factor, relief also. So C is the correct answer. It is not responsible for formation of soil. Technology. Next question. How much of the earth's surface is covered with water? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. C is the correct answer. 3/4 means more than 70%, you can say. Which is a method of soil conservation? Mulching, rock dam, shelter belt, all of above. Mulching also is a method, rock dam also, and shelter belt. So correct answer is D, all of above. Next question. Species of plants and animals that do not exist now but existed in the past are called. Now these species are not available, right? But they were in past. Endangered, extinct, dying or died. B is the correct answer. Extinct species are completely depleted from the earth. are known as extinct species. Silkworms are bred on which trees? Banyan, mulberry, oak, olive bough. It is very easy question we discussed in the chapter, mulberry trees. B option. Next question. Irrigation. Which irrigation can be used in dry regions where evaporation is very high? Sprinklers, bucket, drip, pipe irrigation. So the correct answer is sprinklers. Next question is, a natural area designated to protect the ecological integrity of one or more ecosystems for present and future generation is known as wildlife sanctuaries, bioreserves, botanical gardens, national park. In the NCERT textbook, we discussed about it, national parks. D option. It is written in the box. Next one is, in the biosphere, living beings are interrelated and interdependent on each other for survival. This is the life supporting system. So what this life supporting system known as? Interdependence, ecology, ecosystem, food circle. So correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. It is ecosystem. It is the uppermost layer consists of sand, silt, clay. Sand, silt, clay. With the sand, silt and clay, subsoil, topsoil, alluvial soil and black soil. So correct answer is A. This is subsoil. The fresh water is continuously being renewed and recharged through the hydrological cycle, oxygen cycle, rock cycle, renewable cycle. It is water cycle. Water cycle, water means hydro. Hydrological cycle, right? So this is correct answer. Question number 19 and then last question, 20th question. In the coastal and dry regions, rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement to protect soil cover. So this process is known as strip cropping. Although all these four are the methods of soil conservation, but only this process in which coastal and dry regions and rows of trees are planted. So this is called strip cropping, contour barriers, terrace cultivation, shelter belt. So D is the correct answer, shelter belt. So dear students, in this way we have completed 20 questions. What is your score? Please tell me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.